Yadrugu Namaskara. So, Board of Certified Safety Professionals, United States of America, offers a lot of certifications, but out of us, a lot of people are only interested in CSP, ASP. But what about other certification? Actually, the basic thing is that people don't know about these certifications also, like SMS, CHST, OHST, CIT, STSC, STS, TSP, GSP. People don't know about that. So in this video guys, I'm going to cover these certifications. It means I'll just give you an overview of their certification. For example, as you know that CSP, ASP are the top certifications of safety field. Okay, but what about them? Like if anyone is interested, if anyone asks you, can you tell me about CIT certification, how it is? What about SMS certification? So at least you can give the answer. It's for your knowledge enhancing purpose. This particular video is for your knowledge enhancing purpose. So we will take these certification a light overview of all these certifications. Okay, so video is going to be super informative for you. After this video, you will be eligible to understand, to tell something about all these certifications which is offered by Board of Certified Safety Professionals, United States of America. So without wasting any single second, let's start this amazing video. Alright guys, so first of all, you need to understand that BCSP offers how many certifications? 8 certifications only. Okay, so as you can see here guys, these are the you can call it, just a minute. This is a circle basically which will tell you what are all the certifications that is offered at BCSP. Okay, so let's first of all understand, first of all introduced with this certification, and after that I'll explain you one by one. So first of all, there is a one category of this certification that is called strategic planning. Which one is that? Strategic planning. Now this particular category is for safety professionals and industry experts. As you can see here, safety professional and industry experts can do these certifications. Under this particular category, we have two certifications. First of all, SMS and CSP. CSP means Certified Safety Professional, which is the gold standard certification of safety field nowadays. And SMS means Safety Management Specialist. Just keep this name in your mind, guys. I will explain you these comprehensively in the upcoming slides. Okay. So under the strategic planning first section, you will get CSP and SMS. Now let's come to the second category, that is your instructional. Which one? Instructional. So instructional in the sense training category. Okay. So this particular category is, just a minute. Okay. This particular category is for safety trainers and instructors. It means those whoever are safety trainers, provides trainings like us and all. Okay, they can do the certification. So under this category, there is one certification that is called CIT. Which one is that? CIT. CIT means Certified Instructional Trainer. Certified Instructional Trainer. Keep in mind, Certified Instructional Trainer. Alright. So after that, we have third category that is called Technical Expertise. What is that? Technical Expertise. Inside that category, safety technicians, specialists and managers, they can do these certifications. So the certifications which will fall under these are CHST and OHST. OHST means Occupational Hygiene and Safety Technician. CHST means Construction Health and Safety Technician. Okay. After that, we have next category that is called Safety Practitioners and Mid Management. Okay, this is for safety managers. So it is TSP, GSP and ASP. TSP means Transitional Safety Practitioner, GSP means Graduate Safety Practitioner, and ASP means Associate Safety Professional. So basically TSP and GSP, as you know that already I have explained you, QAP and QEP, it's a designation. Okay, it's not like a real examination. It's a designation that you will get after coming under QAP and QEP qualification. If you achieve any QAP or QEP qualification, you will get these designations. So if you have these designations, you will get an exemption from ASP, and then you can directly go for CSP. So this is about the qualifications, guys. Like these are the qualifications. Apart from that, two more qualification is there. First of all, STSC, and second is STS. STSC and STS basically it is for worker related categories. STSC means Safety Trained Supervisor Construction. STS means Safety Trained Supervisor. Okay, so these are the certifications which is offered by BCSP. Now let's understand them very comprehensively. Okay, so I'll just take you to the comprehensive matter of them. If you are getting any doubts, guys, during this particular video, kindly drop them in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer you. Alright, so here all the certifications which I have explained you, they are listed in a very comprehensive manner. Okay, so first of all, guys, you can see here CSP. Okay, CSP means Certified Safety Professional. So CSP is one of the gold standard certifications. So if you want to achieve the apex of safety, it means the apex certification of safety, then this is the best certification. See here, the premier certification in the safety profession covering the wide range of safety and environment practice disciplines. So it is one of the gold standard. That's why they have put that into the one number. All right. After that second certification, we have SMS, Safety Management Specialist. Demonstrates management skills required for an organization's safe operation, including defining and utilizing safety management system. It is one of the best certification if you want to do. Okay. SMS is like you can call it is similar to CSP, but the value of CSP is much more than higher in the market. So it is also a very good certification. Actually, the eligibility requirements are very high for SMS also. Next is ASP, which is like first step towards the CSP. Demonstrate a broad scope of knowledge in SHE practice and serves as one of the several qualifying credentials required for the CSP. So first of all, you need to go for ASP, then you can go for CSP. If you are planning to achieve CSP, then you need to go through ASP. There are a lot of ways are there, but ASP is the foundation stone. So you can do that also. Okay. Next is your CHST, Construction Health and Safety Technician. Offers a certification for individuals who work in construction craft or construction safety specialist. If you are working in construction and want a basic level certification in construction health and safety, then you can go for CHST. After that, if you are an industrialist, if you are working in an industry, you want a basic level certification of health and safety, then it will be a good safety trained supervisor. Okay, provides a quality certification for a group leaders in various industries who are responsible for safety in their workers. So STSC is good for industry, CHST is used for construction. Next is STSC. What is that? SCST, Safety Trained Supervisor Construction, just that I explained you. Hold the same requirements and benefits as the Safety Trained Supervisor certification, but provides a quality certification for a group leaders working specifically in construction. This particular certification is related to construction. It means if you are a construction leader, if you are managing a workforce there, okay, then you can do this particular certification to get some insights of safety, health and environment. Another certification is that Occupational Hygiene and Safety Technician, same like STSC, but it is applicable to which one? Industry. Provides practitioners with partial responsibility or oversight in SHE with a quality certification. If you are in industry, go for OHST. If you are in construction, go for STSC. Next, but not the least, CIT, Certified Instructional Trainer. Certifies who have experience and expertise in developing, designing and deliver SHE training. It means if you have some sort of responsibilities with regards to like you want to design the trainings, you want to deliver the trainings, then you can do this certification. It is very useful for you. Okay, and as well as if you look out the syllabus of them, it is very comprehensive and very good. So guys, these are the 8 certifications that I have explained you through the circle, through the comprehensive description. I hope you understood. So if you want the specific video on that, already it is available, but it is in Hindi. If you want the English versions of that, kindly let me know through the comment section. I'll happy to make that video on these topics. So this was the end of this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video, subscribe to HS Academy, because I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, guys.